Today we are enjoying ourselves in the beautiful place of Durban. This is the Legacy Experiences. Today we have the special guest, my favorite, Umkhaya Wami. We experience the legacy of Usanelisiwe Khuzwayo, one of the best, one of the brain behind the success of ladies in South Africa, especially in cricket. Makhuzwayo, so
Sanibona Mkhaya njani?
Isiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nawe.
Mkhaya ngazajabula ukubona. Ngihleli nawe ke endaweni zomtakabani.
Lalela Mkhaya, why singayanga ngasekhaya?
Mkhaya ngithi manje nina.
Manje ufuna ukuzokhuluma nami endaweni eziphakeme engathi ngiphakeme.
Uphakeme Mkhaya. We speak about oNonkululeko Mlabo, speak about oNonduduzo Shangase. You are the brain behind the success of these ladies.
Yeah, kona Mkhaya, we've come a long way. We've come a long way because we need to be the gate for the many more to come after us, and sibe that bridge as a creator opportunities for our upcoming talent, more especially when it comes to ladies, because we understand the struggle, we understand challenges that they're going to face in the journey. And if people like us, Bengeko, as females, we wouldn't be able to be the voice on their behalf, because it's all about having that voice behind closed doors that can be able to share the challenges that you might encounter in your journey. To talk about those challenges so that by the time you get there and you reach the stars, there's nothing that is holding you back from succeeding. So I would say that platform, it wasn't easy, kodwa ke through dedication and commitment, silana mhlanje, we are proud to have them. Ononkululeko, like you said, Nondumiso Shangase, Hlubi, Ayanda Hlubi, nasa Eastern Cape for that matter, ngoba ngeke ngathi ukuthi yabo Zinhle Mali lapha, ayabonga khakha, bonke labo bantu labo bayadinga ukuthi the more kuba more administrators, more especially when it comes to women, i-platform yabo iyakwazi ukuthi ibe recognized. Njengoba namanje nje CSA esebenze baba nabo i-professional baba professionalize zonke lezo zinto, not that we are saying ukuthi zangeze zenzeke, kodwa kwakwazi ukuthi frustrated zibe kube lula ukuthi even Cricket South Africa to consider such things, because of abanye boza kwethu who's been there in another platform whereby they can actually take this sport, summer ladies, to the next level. Kanti nabo ke bethu bese grounding bedlala ukwazi nje ukuthi there is someone whom is actually there talking on my behalf, nama ngimenzele kube lula. So njoba nje hleze ebakoma final, babe koma semi-final,
awards,
awards, konke nje lawo ma-platform, izinto ezisijabulisayo ukuthi kushuthi we are doing something right, we are on the right track.
Talking about the right track, talking about the journey, awusithatha usibeke ngejourney yakho uMakhuzwayo waseMbumbulu eNtsimbini, usuka phi nothando lokhilikithi uze ufike la ufika khona manje uzoya ku-Eastern Cape?
Yo, hayi, yabona nje uyangihlekisa musho njalo Mkhaya, ngoba ubaba wayethi mechazela abantu uthi hawu ntombi yami ile ndaweni enkulu engazazi nami, kodwa ke hayi yona iyaphumelela ngoba iyazwakala na komsakazweni, yabonakala nakoma television, kuba phela ngintombi enduna. Ntombi enduna, I'm so proud, may he so rest in peace. Mina ngisuye endaweni yaseMkhazeni, Sigcemeni saseMbumbulu angaphansi kwenkosi uMakhanya.
Yeah.
And endaweni engenayo icricket engakaze nami ngiphupha ukuthi ngake ngazi something ngecricket ngoba icricket was one of the sports esasinga exist endaweni engisuka kuyona and namanje futhi kusakude ukuthi mhlambe sibonakale ngoba noma sathi siyazama ukuthi sisi-introduce azange size sithole inyawo kahle because whatever that you come to introduce in an area you need someone who will buy into the vision. So if there is no one who's actually tapping into understand what we are talking about, then whatever you're trying to do I succeeding ngendlela ekufanele ngabe succeeda ngayo. So I've been to cricket since 2008 and I've actually moved up the ranks within cricket from being assistant to being the development township and rural development manager for about 6 years when I was still at Coastal with Dolphins. And kodwa khona I spent about 11 years with the Dolphins. And then from there I moved to the Eastern Cape. Go to the home of legends. Because as you know, ukuthi mula KZN ufuna ukusucceeda ngecricket ngerugby kakhulukazi when it comes to development izinda esikhule sahlonipha namanje asebedlala icricket for 100 years mungazange uye Eastern Cape ulwazi lakho fawubuya ukheshini ukuthi ngabe lusezingeni la ngempela na
for the sport
so I'm glad ukuthi I was able to be in the Eastern Cape for about 6 years and namanje kukhona ama bodies that I'm still involved kuona Eastern Cape because I'm part of the Ngumbela Foundation board of directors as kukhona nje ubaba lapha owakha i-ground from scratch in the rural area something engadinga usuku lonke to talk about so I'm so glad ukuthi I'm still part of i-board yakhona and then now I'm back in KZN. There's nothing like home, you know? So I'm in the KZN Inland as the stakeholder relations manager. Yeah, I'm Kai.
Manje Mkhaya ukhuluma ngalezi zinto lezi ezokukhula kumdlalo esithi awumkhulu kakhulu kuyibala lami nawe. And then there is this challenge Mkhaya ngifuna sikhulume ngayo kakhulu, the challenge of gender equality with South African sports, not only with cricket. Mkhaya, tell us journey yakho nokufacana nalawo ma challenges nokuthi umele ukwaze kanjani to overcome those challenges in a male dominated world, not only sports.
Yabona Mkhaya, in terms of being able to be seen, because it's all about being able to do your work sometimes awengiqale lapho nje in the male dominated sports akukho lula ngaleyo ndlela because some they will actually start to question ukuthi who are you uqhamukaphi wazini ngecricket ufike kanjani omunye alindele ukuthi mhlambe if uzothi wena Mkhaya awumkhaya uphumelele and usube kwicricket for isikhathi eside ngaka umuntu alindele ukuthi mhlambe ngayidlala icricket angidlalanga ngingayidlalanga kodwa nginalo ulwazi olunzulu ngayo ngoba ngisebenzile meaning kufanele nawe uyikhuthaze within your inner self ukuthi I'm here to do my thing and ngizo remain humble for me to learn as much as I can from the people who are willing to share their knowledge with me. So it's all about passion, dedication and commitment. It's all about seeing the opportunity ezokulidela into making an impact because if it wasn't about making an impact, mhlampe ngabe nami the lifelong interest wasn't instilled with me. And because it wasn't easy, but because I started with the development, ngibona even today njengoba sikule ndawo enhle kangaka nje sidila nemini cricket semina, othisha angazi noma bayayazini into abayitshalayo ebantwaneni, because nami the time ngiba involved kwi-cricket ngaba nabantu abakwazi ukuthi batshale lolo thando kimina before mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze umsebenzi wami ngendlela yokuyinikela. Ama-challenges abekhona because you have to actually convince people 10 times more. You have to, as umuntu wesifazane, you have to do more than what is expected from men. And for many years, mhlampe ngingathini kwi-development e-KZN and ngiyi-manager, kodwa uthola ukuthi noma kuqhamuka ama-position bayangena baphuma abanye omanager ngikhona mina, kodwa kungekho ongicabangayo ukuthi mhlampe ngidinga ukuthi ngikhule just before ngiye kwakona e-Eastern Cape. Then I was fortunate ngo-2017 ngakwazi ukuthi ngithole i-recognition as the administrator of the year in KZN, of which I've succeeded to also on the same year nganominatwa nationally. Nakhona ngabuya nayo leyo ndondo, hayi ngokuthini, ngokuyinikela nomsebenzi engiwenzile. And then emva kalokho-ke izinto zaqala zabalula. Uyacabanga ukuthi Mkhaya ngikutshela ngo-2017 ngibe ngaba involved kwi-cricket from 2009. Meaning all this time it's not about ukuthi bengingayinikeli, but it's about ukuthi bengiwubani. Wakabani osukaphi.
Mhlambe ke siza la kwi development Mkhaya, or before siye lapho, as umuntu okwi-sport wesifazane, do you feel, or what your take kwi-equality ye-sport e-South Africa?
Iseyindlela Mkhaya. I-sport nje in general ke sase South Africa sisazabalaza. Uma sisajabulela ukuthi isport ekuyisona esidominate la okuyisoccer, in this instance football, sisajabulela ukuthi sibe kwi last 32. Okufanele ngabe at least ngoba phela si dominant, fanele ngabe sijabulela ukuthi mhlambe sikwima quarter final or ngma semi final or something. So you can imagine when you talk about lama sporting codes vele dominate abantu besilisa and angekho dominant even wase South Africa nje. And even worse for women, because even on the dominant sport I doubt ukuthi i-recognition amantombazana ayithola on the same level as males. And also when it comes to our women, as now at the time we just recently come back from World Cup ye-football FIFA, iyenzeka concurrently nesikhathi kwenzeka i-World Cup ye-cricket yabantu besifazane, but the buzz was not the same. Even from our government itself, even from the people who are for the sport itself, but the buzz, the acknowledgement, the noise was not the same. So as thina sikusona le sport siposta nabo beposta ngala siposta futhi nayo ifootball, kodwa people they like le cricket yini le nikhuluma ngani ngathi ndlala njalo. Yayibona lonto, no one even knew about ukuthi amantombazane ethu nawo they were in the World Cup and they even reached the semi-final, imagine. But ibuzz ya last 32, not that I'm complaining, kodwa ngizama ukucacisa the inequality ekhona in terms of being able to recognize ukuthi okay, nawo namantombazane phela ayashana, they need i-support cause mhlampe kube bebethola the same recognition ngoba i-England akuyona i-team ebingasidla kodwa ikwazile ukuthi ishaye sagcina siphuma-ke kwi-semi-final. So indlela isayinde kakhulu kodwa kona so inqoba ngokuthi sithole the administrators who are willing to support and who actually no namanje ngisathandaza Mkhaya mhlawumbe ngadivetha kancane ukuthi mhlawumbe nathi kwesithola ugovernment asinikeze uminister oke wahamba ijeni yesports mhlawumbe nalokho-ke kungasinceda kakhulu ngoba okwamanje siyabathola oma-ministers kodwa i-portfolio ye-sport is overlooked. So people whom becabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona ulwazi abalaziyo, not that ukuthi ngisuke ngithi abalazi kodwa ngeke uze kufane nomuntu who has been in the journey of sports then mhlawumbe koqala ukuthi kusabalaleke sibone nathi sports kusinge yona by the way.
Speaking of legacy yakho Mkhaya, you spoke about amantombazane, the way abebe successful ngakhona. Awusathe usibeke usikhumbuze ijourney yakho ne-development yabantu besifazane and the players that you've found like a diamond or polish abantu abaningi, because there are people who just come and claim now and say we were there when this kind of player was still young. Awusithatha usibeke nje nge-role yakho kwi-development yabantu besifazane, where you come from nokuthi bathi bafike lapha efika khona.
Yabona nje Mkhaya mengakutshela iqiniso maningi ama-sacrifices that you go through as umuntu wesifazane. There are nami myself I've gone through. I remember in 2015 when I had my daughter, ingamthola ngo May 15. I have to be back at work on the 2nd of June because of a commitment. Into ekuthiwa ama-maternity leave yini leyo, not ngoba mhlampe i-employer yami ukuthi ayinjani but ngangicabangela abantwana abaningi ababezosafarisha if I was gonna go on leave for 4 months. Kwakuzoba angazi ne-damage engakanani. So ngizama ukukuvezela Mkhaya the sacrifices that sometimes as people in the background do for upcoming youngsters in terms of ukuba supporter. So the time ngisadila kakhulu on the development on the ground, ngisebenza 7 days a week. I would say full months nje eat, breathe and live cricket. Going to the deep rural areas of Upongola next to iborder yaseSwaziland. Zonke lezo indawo and maningi ama-upcoming youngsters even namanje even i-KZN inland in this instant ebenefita kona ngoba ama-players aqhamuka from i-national week arepresent i-inland ingane eqhamuka laphaya amantombazane aqhamuka laphaya kuzophinde kube nendawo enothile indawo yaselindelani elindelani-ke ngingathi indawo e-unique ngoba sasino-coach aba-dedicated. Omunye wabo manje mini cricket coordinator kwi-grassroots la eKingsmead kuma-Dolphins. Kukhona noSandile Hlongwa okuwukuthi ngiye ngiyibuza umbuzo ukuthi uSandile Hlongwa njengoba avundulula as much as mina ngangu-administrator or the manager supporting kodwa kahle kahle ucoach wakhe uNonku was uSandile Hlongwa. uSandile Hlongwa umfanele ngabe ukwi-platform fanele ngabe uyabonakala kwi-national ngamantombazana asewakhiqizile under his wing. Kodwa I don't think kukhona okhuluma ngayo ngaleyo ndlela because even nayo i-union akuyona akekho as maybe a senior coach. We assistant of somebody. Somebody mhlawumbe naye owaziwayo yabona. Kodwa yena kuukuthi umsebenzi wakhe uyayikhulumela ekhiqiza umuntu okwi top rankings of international cricket. Kube khona i-player representa kwi-test match Ayanda Hlubi. So lo muntu there's something ngaye. If kuukuthi akakashayini mhlawumbe umuntu odinga ukunaturisha nokubheka ukuthi kungani engavelele ngendlela abadlali bakhe abavelele ngayo because kuyatshengisa ukuthi kune-skill. So i-journey yinde kakhulu and ne-commitment yinde kakhulu esikudingeka ukuze labadlali laba baphumelele and bakwazi ukuthi bavelele endaweni ehlukahlukene because even nase-Eastern Cape khona abadlali onqaba Peter engakhuluma ngabo engabafica bekhona e-Eastern Cape kodwa uthola ukuthi amathuba awekho abayitholi i-platform. Uma usungumzali uyakwazi kuba nelihlo noma futhi umuntu wesifazane kuthiwa sine third eye. So leyo nto iyakwazi ukuthi kunikeze ukuthena ubone ngokujula umbone nomdlali who's just lacking talent but not talent, who's lacking opportunity stage azikwazi ukuthi ashane kuyona. Unqaba Peter mengakhuluma ngaye nje was one of the net bowlers ababebholela i-Proteas izodlala eborder East London, and he was seen by a national coach manje kwi-Lions manje kwi-Protea team. So such things sikhonela lokho ekuthenini kulawo mathuba sikwazi ukuthi thina senze sure ukuthi abantwana bethu bayabonakala. Then ke laba badalela ukuthi ba seek talent or ba identify talent on the next level because thina sikwi grassroots from development to semi-professional. Laba ke bakwi-professional platform bakwazi ukubona ama-players knocking doors.
Mkhaya, kunephuzu engicabanga ukuthi awukwazi ukukhuluma ngalo osuluvezile. 2015 lo kade uchaza ukuthi wawuthola indodakazi yakho. Is the same era or period where uNonkululeko Mlaba wangena kwi-structure se team and in national. I remember ukuthi we I think 2017 or 16 samenza interview la ngangisebenza khona qala esemncane efika nabazali bakhe. Thatha usibeke ngaleyo period.
Yabona leyo period leyo Mkhaya kwakuyi period le esasibekele khona kwi development. Umanager wami engangisebenza naye before angazi noma kodwa I'm sure ngiyazi abe nankinga ukuthi ngimention ngoba naye uyena wangi-identify kwayimina uMr Linda Zondi.
Yes.
So wathi yena ehamba eyoba uconvener we Proteas. Then ngasala mina. That was the period go 2015 bekhona labadlali bebaningi zinkulu nezicathulo kufanele ngingene kuzona okuthi that was a very critical period because lalisondelene nesikhathi sasibekele sona as i-department yokuthi by this time faqale sewukuthi sesiyabona manje ama-fruits iy'tshalo from iy'tshalo esasikade sibekele zona and abantu abanjengoNonkululeko Mlaba from lama sacrifices engike ngakhuluma ngawo bakwazi ukuthi nangempela bathathe ithuba and rise with it. Bakwazi ukuthi namhlanje babe kule platform abakuyona because of ama sacrifices umuntu ayewenza ngaleso sikhathi kuukuthi we are making sure ukuthi sasine program ewakuthiwa elite program whereby the coaches will coach during the week and then on Saturday there will be identified cricketers that will come to Kingsmead and bezokwenza elite coaching. The elite coaching that will involve high intensity and to actually kuthiwani khona igama kuthiwa esasilisebenzisa sesithi you must feel the pain barrier whereby even the coaches nabo sasibadrilla sibadrillela ekuthenini they must coach the right skills for abadlali. And laba ke ababecoach oNonkungu on Saturdays kwako coach abase next level from the coaches who were in the development from emalokishini. Mase befika lapha sebehlangene ke will select the few and ba coach in the right facilities because that was another struggle then. Sasingenawo ama facilities kwi cricket. I think there were about 3 in KZN kuma township ama facilities e cricket. So we needed to bus them in kuma taxi na kuma bus beze Kingsmead bezodlala kwi facility ezokwazi ukuthi isupport talent elabo. Then on Sunday kuwe kodlalwa club. So uyabona ukuthi we were trying to bridge the gap in terms of ama multi-racial schools wona adlala cricket daily. Nathi abantwana bethu bathola ithuba lokuthi bazo esikoleni bazocoach emalokishini ngama weekend kodwa 14 ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi si bridge gap fanele size extra ekuthenini icricket ayisetshenzwe 7 days a week kungabi khona isikhathi ekuzohlalwa because we are trying to catch up. So ke abadlali abaningi we've got about over 40 kahle even besides abesifazane kuphela even abesilisa asebedlala kwi first class cricket all over kuma domestic teams adlala ku division 1 na ku division 2 abadlalini aba benefita from that transition that time ka 2015 to towards ukuqhubeka ngesikhathi ke abanye belo bevela ngoba babe baningi kakhulu. We had a mass participation and that which included mini cricket and hardball at a lower level and then after that we had the elite that was being drilled every Saturdays and we had the club where he did the CU Durban district manje eThekwini district cricket ekuwukuthi babedlala kuma clubs on Sundays ukuze banecherish talent elabo and fast track their talent. On Saturdays again besides the coaching sasiba nama fixtures esasiwenza in terms of ukuthi sicele kulezi ikole lezi efana no Glenwood Northwood o Westville o Maritzburg College and stuff ukuthi sicela elite yethu ukuthi idlale nabo ukuze sikwazi ukuyimeasureisha italent phela nento esiyenzayo ukuthi ikusiphi isigaba. Nakhona lapho ezungizwa ngibala lezi ikole those are boys school meaning amantombazane besilo siwacoacha nje kodwa wona edlala kwi level engeve kube ingakwazi ukuba support italent labo ngoba we don't really have so much of girls school playing cricket. So that is why ke sisabala mhlawumbe abantu ababodwa ngabe the volume is too much if nakhona abadlali or ikole ezinawo ama facility noma ezinako ukwenza zi-involve kwi-cricket ngoba there's just so much talent and there's so many other cricketers that are there engabe nawo asesezingeni lononkuleko but kuukuthi abanye ke talent comes naturally and the talent liza ngithi nanokuyindekela kwakho nanokuvelela kwakho ezumdlali nanokusebenza kwakho kodwa kuba ama-platform akhona for women ngabe nakhona futhi kuyakwazi ukuthi libe khona ithuba so ngalesa sikhathi nje kwakungalalwa mkhaya
ungalali
kwakungalalwa mkhaya we had a burning desire unmeasurable we were very committed to what we do njengoba sisa-committed nanamanje.
Let's talk about ukudila nama-players ke mkhaya because administrator yinina siyakhuluma abaqeqeshi but nini ekufanele impela nenze umsebenzi omkhulu. Kunalento mkhaya ukuthi kwi-cricket ukujajwa kaNkululeko kuhlukile nokujajwa kwaSane Smith. uNkululeko mekwenza iphutha uSane Smith walenza iphutha elifanayo uzolimala uNkululeko but uSane uzokwazi ukuthi kusheshe kuphunywe yona. Uthini ngaleyo challenge ekhona kulama sporting coach afana no cricket kakhulukazi cricket?
Kwi cricket emkhaya kusanzima kakhulu. I think siyabadinga nabantu mhlawumbe abanesiphiwo psychologically nje ukuthi babe involve in terms of ukudila nama-players ethu with regards to mental toughness. Ngoba iyona into esayi-challenge kakhulu leyo in terms of seeing our players coming through and succeeding. Because le example oyenzayo emkhaya, let's say udrop uketch. Wena leyo nto leyo because indlela okhule ngayo emkhaya uyazwela ngoba like I said ukuthi ngokwebala again you have to convince wena 10 times more than uSane Smith because wena ngikhuliswe ukuthi okay inkingo oyenzile dlula kuyona imistake but wena iphutha olenzile liyahlala kuwena. So you can imagine ke kwi-field usulenzile lelo phutha already usuphumile egamini
and this kuyabhala
iyayibona leyo nto and already usuyacabanga ukuthi shothi engizodrop ziningi izinto ezihlala engqondweni yakho ekuthenini leli thuba sengilitholile already nje ungakayenzi kwa imistake unalelo valo lokuthi ngitholile le thuba wanna shine.
Put yourself under
pressure unnecessary engabe uya relax and do what you love and enjoy the game kodwa because ufuna ukuvelela ungena laphayana nje kwayihlwele ezizokubuka angithi phela ngokwamathuba ethu asifanani laba sebe exposed ikole lezi abafunde kuzona oSmith noSane Smith bakwazi wona ukuthi bayiswe even nakuma international tours bakwazi ukuthi bazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukudlala ubukwa yihlwele so kubonda by the time bevelela they are used
to this pressure
pressure ne platform but kuwena uthola ukuthi it's new uphinde futhi kuzothi if usufikile kuleyo platform umzali wakho khona na yayibona lonto someone owazi ukuthi whether ube nephutha ubanga nephutha but is your guaranteed cheerleader uyabelieve uyakholelwa kuwena ngayo yonke indlela kodwa uthola ukuthi bona kukhona the whole family because they can afford because they can. We always fighting the haves and the have-nots. So the ones on the have-nots, bona, they are facing more challenges because even we support, even to get umzali wakho laphaya kuleya platform ukuthi azokusupporta uyacabanga i-black tax esekhaya izinto ezidingeka ekhaya ukuthi ngale mali le yokuthi umaye laphayana mhlawumbe ezokhosta ama-1,000 bengakwazeka ukuthi kube khona izinto ezenzakalayo ezosize ifamily kwakho umuzi kuthenga ukudla kube khona ingubo zokugqoka the essentials uvela ubona ukuthi hayi ma ngizoba right sala kanti
ila umdinga
ekusala
khona
khona ila umdinga khona and ila ekufanele ngabe ngempela uyothola isupport ezokwenza ukuthi ilethi izinkwe ezu10 compared to lesi sisodwa sibekayo.
Mka sikhuluma ngezinkwa iKFC mini cricket asikhulume ngerole yayo kwicricket osuyibonile ngamehla akho ongathi umuntu ongayazi shuthi akayimisele ngokwazi development ye cricket.
Yabona nje we are very grateful to ama partners anje ngo KFC abakwazi ukuthi babone indima no impact edingakalayo on the grassroots level. Number one nje for the fact that we are associated with such a brand which is KFC. Lokho kusho ukuthi akekho ngazi kakhulukazi na community ongazi ngo KFC and it's the kind of meat that we love luxury kuthina ngale yandlela ekuthenini nanoma inini muhambile nje waye edolobheni mungazange udla uKFC hayi shuthi kahle ufana nokuthi busa awuyazi into obuyele edolobheni yayibona leyo nto and futhi affordable in terms of mhlambe iholo nezi ma challenges esibhekene nawe ekutheni ukudla okwazi ukudla usutha kodwa futhi uphinde ukwazi ukuafforda uphinde ukuenjoy
and you develop in cricket as well
uphinde futhi ke musu associate ne cricket then which means ingane emibona uKFC shuthi lesi sport lesi esukuzo introduce kusona shuthi sinaso simnandi
uzohlala emafutheni
level njenge cricket and sike sisebenzise leyo terminology ke thina zabantu abamnyama sithi untanta emafutheni ne KFC intanta emafutheni yayibona leyo nto le so meaning if they associate nathi kwi grassroots kuyasiza kakhulu because the minute ingane bibona iKFC into enkulu and njengoba into enkulu nje mase introduce icricket so nayibonisa inkulu ukuthi kushuthi le sport engizodlala nami ngizokhula ngibe ngangiKFC ekuthenini ngaziwe all over and inkulu kakhulu indima edlalwa iKFC mini cricket ebantwaneni and even besides bantwaneni nakothisha ngoba it's where we instill the lifelong interest in the game with development nakhona kwi society yethu because in terms of the understanding of the game isalide kakhulu ibanga kusafa isihambe la kulula ke kwi development ukuthi is attract abantu besifazane but because of ama challenges esiba nawo kwayisemakhaya labo bantu besifazane asibaboni sebeqhamuka noma beqhubeka bereacha to the next level when it comes to hardball. There's only few. Mina ngikhuluma from the administration side, but for the people who look after the game now to ensure ukuthi they walk through the player from the mini cricket level, introduction stage, grassroots to the hardball now stage, then they disappear. Amanye ama challenges futhi lawo esibhekene nawo siyabadinga kakhulu abantu besifazane from the match officials to the coaches to the administrators itself abazohamba kanye naye lo mdlali from grassroots to right up to the professional level.
Mkhaya ukhuluma ngama challenges nokuba khona kwi leadership yabantu besifazane kwi cricket, but let's go broader now and say kwi sport. Umakhuzwayo ubani lo abethi noma ubani laba athi mebabuka kubantu besifazane abebemgqugquzela nama basamgqugquzela namanje ukuthi aqhubeke nokwenza umsebenzi omuhle kwi cricket. Ngabe umuntu okwi sport esihlukile kunesekho kodwa nje abantu abagqugquzela ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngifane nalo mama uyena lo nginika ithemba ukuthi baningi abantu abesifazane asazobabona.
Uyabona uma ngibona uCasey Naidoo ekwi-ICC umuntu engangingamazi ngimbuka esako King Smith involve ngimbone ekwi-commentary ngimbone ebakwi-Proteas ubuka ukuthi lo mama ufike kanjani kunama brand asewarana yena herself umbone elaphayana uzibheka ukuthi kahle kahle I wonder how it will take for me to get there yabona kodwa futhi ubheke ne-dedication nokuyimisela kwakhe ayimisele kona in terms of umsebenzini awenzayo ubheke abantu abafana ucoach lo webafana webanyana uDesiree Ellis ubuke abantu abafana noba abanye nguthola ukuthi we need mentors because mina even introduceka kwi cricket introducer not kwi cricket per se kwi sport uthisha wami wayengicoacha ngiseseKhaliphe primary ngimbona umema omuhle she was wow uMadam Majola she was beautiful but while playing sports because that is another thing also to remain who I am because kwesisikhathi kuyahlula thina abantu besifazane not that ukuthi I'm against any belief kodwa kwesisikhathi sibuye sitshela ukuthi fanele ngishintshe mina ukuze ngikwazi ukuphumelela kanti kunabantu who remain who they are
and they successful
and babe successful kulokhu abakwenzayo so akusho ukuthi uma uthanda isport ifanele uze ube umunye umuntu ungakwazi ukuthi umthande uyithanda into ayenzayo kodwa wena ube uyilo muntu awuyena so baningi ngingababala kodwa right now ilabo engathi they come into mind okwangalesikhathi.
How do you advise umuntu wesifazane okwisport either ukwi-media uyadlala uyacoacha onephupho lokungena kwisport kwi-leadership yakwisport yini isiluleko ongamnika yona nokuthi what is the challenge ekhona le yenza ukuthi abantu besifazane kuthiwa bakwazi ukusebenzisana ndawonye?
Kukhona lento ekuthiwa yini i-pull head down syndrome angiyazi isebenza kanjani ngoba mina angikaze ngiyisebenzise kodwa yona ikhona ukubukelana phansi sabantu besifazane ikhona into yongafuna ukubona umunye umuntu wesifazane ephumelela ikhona into yokuthi uma engakwazi ukwenza usane kushuthi mina ngakwazi ukuyenza nami noma ngiyenze kangcono kanti if usane kwi-platform msupport mseke isiyeza nawe lakhe ithuba i-patience wesisikhathi asibi nayo ekutheni sikwazi ukuthi sibekezelelane ngoba i-platform inkulu and iningi kodwa kuukuthi siyasekana in the time wena usanomuntu ongaphambi kwakho osanikezwe ithuba lokuvelela ukuthi umseke to your best potential ekuthenini aphumelele kulokho akwenzayo even now for ukuthi nawe uma suthole ithuba lelo zobunikezwe lona ukwazi ukuthola abantu abafana nawe usakwazi ukuseka omunye umuntu njengamanje nje even le program iphethwe umuntu wesifazane njengoba ngila ngizoseka yena ekutheni ashine akwazi ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe uphumelele uvelele ube successful ngoba ngiyayiqhenya ngaye ngoba sisuka kude naye ubuhle vapi ekutheni saqala naye sakwi development ngale yena eseGauteng administrator nami ngala ngu-administrator sigijima sisupporta abaphathi bethu namhlanje sobabili siyi-manager ey'ndaweni ey'hlukahlukene, kodwa kusho ukuthi sesiyekelelene, sisasekana namanje. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngila nje ngisekela yena and ngisiza yena ekutheni imini cricket ikwazi ukuthi ivelele and ibe kwi-next level. I-exposure ingafani nanoma eyithathile i-betting, athi run with it successfully and freely, with knowing ukuthi une-support kubantu who has walked the journey with her. So it's all about being patient with the game, because sizowabona ama-challenges nakhona masificana nama-challenges uma sibambisene siyakwazi ukuthi siphumelele. But if we are not together or holding each other's hand, then facing challenges will be easily be broken and disappear within the mist.
Mkhaya, you already spoken about ukukhula kwakho ejeni nayo yonke into. In 3 years or 2 years obuthi 20 years usebenza kwi-cricket. What is the legacy of uSane afuna ukuyishiya kwi-sport?
Yo, uSane, iphupho lami ukubona sengikhuluma ngenamba mhlawumbe yeqile ku-10 yabantu besifazane abadlalela i-Proteas abasuke ezandleni mhlawumbe la ngike ngathinta khona. Whereby kuwukuthi nama-selectors abe confused ukuthi kahle kahle senze njani ngalama players ngoba cream of the crop akaseyedwa, sebebaningi. Iyayibona lonto. Uphinde futhi sinabantu esikwazile ukuthi siba convince ekuthenini bathi stay with the game to actually give support kuma upcoming youngsters, ngoba i-cricket since kuyi-game edlala usuku lonke, you can understand the patience edingakalayo within the game. Asingabe abantu cause thina kahle kahle mhlambe ukuze sibuye nayo le ndebe kudingeka ukuthi sibe nabantu besifazane abaningi, ngoba sabantu ababekezelayo, sabantu abanesineke, sabantu abanothando, abane-support entweni yonke entweni esenzayo. So meaning if kuwukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona indlela yokuthi lezi zinto engiyibalayo zingakwazi ukuthi sibe involved from all different sectors of cricket. Njengoba ngingabala ngama-pillars ukuthi we've got too many spaces for abantu besifazane ukuthi babe involved kwi-cricket, more especially when it comes to officiating the game. Because lapho kuningi amathuba angakwazi ukuthi aqhamuke. So kungabi khona uSane oyedwa owaba khona eKZN, wasuke eKZN waya Eastern Cape usebuyile eKZN. Akubapha abanye oSane. Yabona abeze ngemva kwami ke manje ekuwukuthi if mina sengisukile noma sengikwenye iplatform, ngazi kodwa ukuthi within a journey of cricket, in each and every stage, there is someone whom I trust ukuthi can be able to be the voice of the voiceless. Kwile platform engabe mina sengidlulile kuyona. So mawukuthi ngoba ngeke phela ngithole yonke indawo, kufanele kube khona nami who's coming after after mina ukuze akwazi ukuthi enze lento ebengiyenza kule step esengisukile kusona. You can imagine going 10 steps forward but there's no one following me. So not there ukuthi ngithi akekho ongifollowishayo, kodwa igap isankulu kakhulu. Angiqhenyi ngalokho, kuyangikhathaza, kuyi-concern, it's my biggest concern ukuthi asibe baningi nathi like bebaningi nabesilisa ba-involve. Even when it comes to media nakhona, even when it comes to all platforms nje. Kube singabheki ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uhlalele ukuba uthisha kuphela noma abe unesi. Kwi-sport siyabadinga abantu besifazane kakhulu.
Mkhaya, this was the legacy of uSanelisiwe Khuzwayo. Mhlampe ke Mkhaya sesivala umyalezo ongashiya nawo kumthandi wekhilikithi nomqeqeshi osemazingeni aphansi.
Umyalezo engawusho ukuthi let's remain humble in whatever that we do. Let's have patience. The belief within your inner self first is the one that will take you to where you want to be.
No, Mkhaya, siyabonga kakhulu. It was nice to chat with you. This was the legacy experience of Sanelisiwe Khuzwayo. Uzwe konke. Keep on watching us, like, share Azana Motion Studios on all social media platforms, even na YouTube. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you. Yabong.
Kawam.